I mean, if I had the cash right now at this stage of the cycle, running a Gala node, I would definitely. Should you consider running a Gala Games node to make passive income right now in this stage of the crypto bull market? Well, in this video, you're gonna have all your answers and everything you need to know about Gala Games' passive income strategy with their node system. So if you're someone with zero coding or developer experience, this channel is for you because I'm someone that wants to monetize crypto and AI for the next few years because it is the next big narrative upcoming, and that's how you make life-changing money, by being early, by being in trends before others. So subscribe to the channel, to follow with my journey, and let's get on with the video. So obviously there's no free lunch in crypto. So Gala Games, the company, they set up requirement rules for you to be eligible to profit from these nodes. So the first rule, you need to hold 1 million Gala token per node to get optimal results, around 15 bucks per day. All right, so there's a reward mechanism in place to calculate daily rewards. I'm gonna show it right here on this page, but you need to account for the total supply of Gala, which is 50 billion tokens, minus the daily circulating supply, which is around 45.5 billion. You multiply that by 0.25%, and this gives you the daily total Gala distribution. And then, the system automatically makes, a proportional reward distribution based off how much Gala you hold. If you have about $15,000 to buy Gala token and hold 1 million coins plus the node price, which is around 550 bucks, you're looking at a capital required of $16,000 to earn around $5,500, which is a pretty good return on investment. It's around a 3-year ROI, which gives you a 33% per year gain, which is, it's much better than a savings account or bonds. Obviously, the risk is much higher, but these are the types of gains you can expect in crypto. So some quick technical analysis. Obviously, nothing of this is financial advice. I'm not a professional trader. I'm just giving you the clear picture and my sentiment as someone who has been in the space for 4 years. So right now, if we look at the Gala price, it's at a support zone. As you can see with the 4 squares, Gala has touched around the 1 cent area more or less numerous times in the past 1,000 days. So the price is pretty close to that right now, so it's considered a support zone. So if you buy that 1 million Gala tokens just to earn the rewards, I would say there's more odds of your investment to be protected, the actual 1 million tokens, than for you to lose value on that, since the price is so low. I don't see it going much lower. And if you see, there's a tiny little blue line that's forming. That's the 4-year average price of Gala. So, I would say if there's some magical bull run and people restart playing crypto games, I don't see Gala going much higher than that line, which is around at 8 cents, 7 to 8 cents. So if it goes there, your daily rewards can increase by 5x. So from 15 to like 75, which is pretty substantial. And your node price would probably go from like 500 to like 3,000. I'm not sure, but so your node price could see significant upside and your daily earnings. So that is something to consider. And it's pretty much the same on the downside. So right now we're at 1.5 cents. If price keeps bleeding down to under 1 cent, your node price is gonna keep dropping and your daily earnings are gonna drop as well. Personally, my sentiment, as someone who has been involved with Gala Games since 2021, I personally believe, and this is my opinion, crypto gaming, NFTs, play to earn is pretty much dead. As you can see with the Google Trends, this is just one indicator, but I do not think that the market will go back to play to earn games because it mostly has a lot of Ponzi mechanics. The games aren't fun. I would never play these games personally. That's just my opinion. Graphics aren't that good. As far as their flagship game, their most important game, which is gonna drive users and value and just overall monetization, is Mirandis. It has been pretty difficult. I would say a complete mess. They have been developing this game for years. It's not fully out. It's not free to play. Like, you need an avatar that you need to buy in the Gala Games store to play that game. So this just is, it's a barrier for users. The game has potential, but the team just didn't deliver. I think 100 employees got fired as well at some point. And just in general, Gala Games, they had like a huge lawsuits between CEO, commingling of funds, and just huge allegations still ongoing. So I don't want to be a part of that. And just by experience, these types of nodes and these money-making methods, the rewards are very temporary and super diminishing, because the system always calculates off of total daily distribution. And if everybody buys a million Gala, if everybody starts to buy these nodes and just wants to jump in on earnings, the total earnings per person are just going to drop significantly. So it's very hard to calculate, your return on investment, how much you're going to make per day, and etc. So personally, my opinion, I would stay out of Gala unless you have like $15,000 that you don't know what to do with it. And if you saw my technical analysis part, the price is pretty low, so it could be a good gamble, I would say. To finish off this video, for me, it's a big no-no. It's too risky. We're at the end stage of the bull run. I don't think there's many months left in this bull run. So in a bear market, you definitely don't want to be holding altcoins. Made my money in 2021 with Gala Games. I'm moving off to better things. And just, this channel is more about sustainable money-making methods. So right now, the main focus is mining on BitTensor, because I do think you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars per year as a BitTensor miner by providing value and training AI models. So stay tuned for my next video. I'm actually actively learning on how to set up my FlameWire Subnet 97 node as a miner on BitTensor. It's one of those subnets which is a bit easier to earn emissions and mine. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you in the next video.